Hi guys, Samsung has introduced a new security feature for Galaxy smartphones called Inactivity Restart. And guys, this feature silently added after February update. So let me show you this new feature for your Galaxy device. Then go to setting, go to security and privacy setting, scroll, tap more security setting and look at this inactivity restart. Simply turn on this feature and guys, after your phone restart, you need to unlock it before you can receive notifications and alarm from some apps and see the names of incoming callers. If your SIM is locked, you need to unlock it to receive incoming calls. Guys, this feature is simple. When enable your phone will automatically reboot after 72 hours of inactivity. The countdown starts when you lock the phone and resets each time you unlock it. If 72 hours pass without unlocking, the device reboots. Rebooting pushes the phone into the BFU. It means before first unlock state, disabling your fingerprint access until the correct PIN, pattern or password is enabled. So this is really powerful feature added after February update. Guys, simply check your device and check out this feature added or not on your Galaxy device after February update. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.